Here are some easy steps to do ABC order. The first thing we need to do is focus on one letter at a time. So if you have a list of words, you need to go first through the alphabet and focus on the letter A and look for all words that begin with that letter. Then you want to highlight those words in one color. That way, you will just look at those words and decide what order to put those words in. Next, you need to look at the second letter of those words to see which one comes first in the alphabet. So we've gone through the list. We focused on all words that began with letter A. We highlight those words, and then we look at the second letter of those words. We're going to write the word down on our ABC list. We'll write them in alphabetical order. As we do that, we need to mark through the words so we won't be confused, and we know to look at just the words that we have not used. So let's go through this. Step 1, I got a list. It has words like abandon, dominated, lenient, abdominal, considerate, amiable, boisterous, honest, avid, and abandon on it. Next, I focused on the words that all start with A, and I highlight them, just like I did in the color purple. Then I look at just those words, and I remember my ABCs, and I look at the second letter of those words. When I look at the second letter of those words, I see that I have 3 words that have A, B as the first 2 letters. Well, since I have 3 words with A, B as the first 2 letters, I need to go to the third letter. When I look at that, I see that I have 2 words that have A, B, A. I keep on going through the alphabet till I get to the end. And I have to decide which one comes first, abandon or abandon. Well, if I keep on going down, I stop at the letter N on abandon. But I keep on going on abandoned. Well, since the letter N is in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th place of both words, and there is nothing after it in abandon, then I know that word comes before abandon because that only has 7 letters and N is the last letter. See, if we put it side by side, you can see that abandon will come before abandon in the dictionary and in alphabetical order. I'm going to write out my list in ABC order. So I will take those words beginning with abandon, then I would add abandon. Then I would add my next one that is A, B, D, abdominal. Then I go on to the next letter of the alphabet, and if I go through my alphabet, I've gone through A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, amiable. And then my last word is avid. That's an easy way to do ABC order. And don't forget to mark through the words that you've used. Now you're ready to find the next word in that group. Write it down and mark it off the word list. And we continue on until we have finished those highlighted words. Now we go to the next letter of the alphabet looking for all words that begin with that letter. Letter B is the next letter of the alphabet, so we would look on our word list to see if we had any words that began with B. We would highlight all of those, then we would look at the second letter in those words and continue on. On to the next letter, boisterous. Well, we only had 1 word that began with B, so that makes our list easy.